Okay, center object inside of the Java server page, else if artist equals 6. The HTML is shut again, and the Java server page, this tag is shut again. Should be correct. So all I have to do is save, and now I must build my my war file. So in this part of Eclipse, you see some so-called targets, and this is just an Ant build file which is behind it, and these are the targets of the Ant build file. So what I have to do is clean and dist, and it builds me a war file which I can deploy on the Tomcat server. So I'm double clicking on clean, and then some classes are deleted. You see it on the left side here, deleting directory, and now dist. And there are some more actions to do. Some directories are made, some compilations of Java files, and then putting it together into one jar file, and it's here in this directory. It's the Nachhilfe for Lena.war, and now I switch to dist here, refresh and open, and you see this here was generated. Nachhilfe für Lena.war. But what I need for my provider is a war file which is called root war. So I copy this Nachhilfe für Lena.war and enter the name root war. Okay, there it is on the left hand side, and now I must upload it to my web server. Therefore I'm gonna use a tool which is called WinSCP. It simply does some FTP transfer, and I've got 2 servers there, and this one is the one I need for my web page. Okay, so here it is. On the left hand side are my local files, on the right hand side are the remote sites, files of the server where I'm gonna upload my files. I know that I must go into the Tomcat directory, into the web apps, and there is the old root.var. And now I'm gonna switch to my local directory. And there is my Eclipse workspace. These are the projects, and it was Nachhilfe für Lena. And here is dist, and you see here root war. I'm simply gonna drag and drop it here. Copy. The file already exists on the server. Do you want to overwrite? Yes, I want to overwrite. Okay, and now we should see it on the internet. So I'm gonna switch to coachingforlena.com, and this is still the old version with Sisters of Mercy as the last entry. I'm gonna do a reload of my page. And now I hope it works. You see here YouTube, the next entry in the combo box, and when I switch to it, here is live in a day on my web page. Okay, and it simply works. A small mistake I made, and which I already see. There you see Nachhilfe von YouTube. This is of course German text. I get back onto my page, and the first load is always in German. I should have switched for YouTube, of course, there to Coaching for Lena, and there you see Coaching by YouTube, but it's the same. Okay, so this was not a big thing. It was actually some Eclipse programming, some Java server page code and HTML code, and I hope you liked it. And maybe you also like my tool with this search engine optimization. Okay, see you. Okay, hello again. Now it's 3:45, and what I already told you about me was what I love, what I fear. I did not tell you what is in my pockets, and I did not tell you my big plans or dreams for the future. So let's start with what is in my pockets. There is my wallet in the left pocket, and in the right pocket there is my mobile, some fisherman's friends, a bus card, and some keys. Okay, the mobile is very necessary for me to communicate with also with friends, and bus ticket is good for me because it's cheaper to go by bus and faster for me because I don't have to pay the park fees every day. Okay. What I also could tell you is that most of the times in my pocket I've got a lottery paper. There is in Germany a system called Lotto, and it can make you a millionaire, and sometimes I buy some lottery papers. Okay.